Welcome back everyone to episode number 57 of Turning $100 into $1 million, a series where I risk a whopping $100 of my money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. In this episode, instead of looking at another stock that's been on the run or something that's grabbing the headlines and attention, I actually just want to basically look at my perfect in and out that I was able to execute on AMC. Truly shocked of how I was able to do such a picture-perfect play on AMC. And I want to look at that just one more time because we didn't really get to go too in-depth of my entrance and exit price on AMC and how I basically timed the market. It couldn't have been more perfect. Totally luck. I really didn't use much other than intuition and just taking my profits when I can. I know there's always a chance that you could have been missing out on profits, but you do want to take them when you can, and that's what I want to do and look at least in this episode. So before we do that though, we do have to look at the other stocks, and as always, if you do want 2 free stocks on me, all free, 2 free stocks, one valued up to $1,600, you can use my link down below the Webull and get 2 free stocks, one on me, both on me, one valued up to $1,600. Use my link down below, sign up Webull, you can go in and do that. So we're in GOL now. GOL, if you haven't seen the last couple episodes, you're going to miss a lot. This is going to look very strange to you because a lot of things have changed since the last few episodes. So be sure you do watch the other episodes before watching this one. It will greatly help you, so that way you know exactly where we are right now. So GOL down 54 cents, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in actuality it's 6.93%. So definitely some room to make up for there. I only have one share though of GOL. Yelp, I'm actually up 51 cents or 1.80%. Pretty good. CVS now up 3.15 or 4.64%. That's another perfect play right there. Got in at a very good price. Couldn't have been more perfect, really. DJOY still down 35.42 or 38.986, or rather 38.98%. OXLC down 288 or 7.23%. Look at the charts now, then we'll look at AMC in just a bit. So GOL did very well. That rhymes on the Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th was lucky day for GOL. That was actually up about 3.5% there, 24 cents, about a quarter. Still down though for the 5 days. 1 month it is up, 6 months. So we're looking at, hopefully we can snatch at least $8 here. I don't only have one share, so it's not going to be a lot of profit by any means. Ideally, of course, we can go up to $9. That would be amazing. Then if you were to get even more wishful thinking, go back to January's territory of 16 and change. Hopefully the vaccine will definitely propel the stock. Maybe when Biden takes office, it will benefit the stock more so. Yelp actually up 132 or 4 3/4 on Friday, 4.75% there. 5 days it is up, 1 month it is up, 6 months it is up. Major swing on Yelp here because of restaurants reopening and the vaccine announcement. And there's still more room to go. If you were thinking about getting into Yelp, I would actually call this a buy. I would call this a purchase. I don't normally call stocks, but I would say that this is a decent buy with definitely some more room to go. Definitely as that vaccine does start to get distributed and things are looking more rosy, Yelp will continue to rise. CVS up 161 or 2.32% more action after hours. 5 days it is up. 1 month it's up big time. You can see the massive swing there as well with that vaccine announcement. CVS will have a major role in distributing this vaccine and getting it to the people. And so I don't know if there's more room to go with this stock. Ideally, the stock could pass $75 to $80. I don't know how much more room, but I think there is still a little bit more for this stock to go. It has touched before $100 years ago. Can it hit that territory again? What are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments. DJOY is down 1 cent. It's been pretty slow in recent days. Hasn't really moved terribly much ever since the last spike that we saw. It's been really stabilizing right now. Not much action. Hopefully, if Biden were to pass some legislation on police reform that could help the stock, we will see what happens. OXLC down 8 cents or 1.70%. 5 days it is down. 1 month it is still in the green. Big time up for the 6 months. So OXLC, actually, didn't I sell OXLC? Oh no, I still have OXLC. I actually received a dividend on OXLC. That's what I was thinking about. My mistake there. I totally blanked. It was another stock that I sold. And so basically trading sideways right now. Not much action up or down. Deciding where to go. We'll see though. It does pay dividends, so I'll still hold it. And what I wanted to do was, in fact, look at AMC. Before we do that, we do have to go to, we'll go to account. We'll then go to stock, profit and loss. You can see the performance here. And you go to AMC, and then it tells you my entrance and exit. So I got in exactly October 20th. That's when I bought the 12 shares. You can see down here. October 20th at an average price of $3.10. Not bad. And then we got out November 9th. So let's see, call it 11 days plus 9. So exactly 20 days later. 20 days later, we got out at 398.1. Very decent gain there. Very good. Fantastic gain at that. And that ended up being a $10.56 profit. Doesn't want to tell you the percentage. That's what I'm looking for. I want to know the percentage. Perhaps we could find that. Perhaps I'll save that for, oh, it should tell you here. Sold AMC, and it was exactly a 47.76%. Oh no, that's $47. My mistake there. $47 added to the account, but that's not all profit. So we'll have to find that in another episode. But I do want to go to AMC. So remember, we got it out. We got in rather at 310 and got out at 398.1. So let's look at the chart right now for AMC. So we go to AMC stock, and we'll go to the chart, and slightly up, but don't let that fool you. Don't let that fool you. You can see it actually tanked, and that's why I said my entrance and exit was picture perfect. So we got in 310 around here, right? And then we got out. Let's see the price around here. So that's basically right there, and then it tanked the following days. So a very, very short-lived rise, and I basically timed it. Could have got it in that. Could have got in a better price. That's for sure. But you can't always predict the exact bottom or top. But I pretty much predicted the exact top that the stock would go. Not that there's not more room to go. It's just at this time period in this little swing trade that we did. Perhaps you'd even call it a short term. And so we got in at a very good price. Got out at a very good price. Proud of that one. But that's what I wanted to look at in this episode. Net account value does stand at 204.69. 204.69 is the net account value right now. That's where we are. If you did enjoy this video, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, smash the like button. Also go ahead and hit that subscribe button, big red button. Also hit that notification bell. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video and episode.